Hey, what's going on? Kevin from Drummer101.com, and in this video I'm going to show you the key that's going to help make your drum fills sound good. Now you can use any pattern you want. The pattern we're going to be using in this video is going to be a 6-stroke roll, right, left, left, right, right, left, followed by right, left, left, kick, right, left. So it's another grouping of 6, just right, left, left, kick, right, left. So all in all, you have 12 notes, and the pattern in full sounds like this. Okay, so this video is not about the pattern, it's about what you do with that pattern that helps make it sound unique and interesting. So let's just take a second and play that drum fill, and I'm going to start picking where those accents sound the best to me. Okay, so without all the notes in between, I'm going to play just the accents. All right, that gives it a little bit more of a unique feature rather than just... So you get something that sounds more like... So that adds a little bit more character and flow and just helps it stand out a little bit rather than just playing your notes even-keeled across the whole measure. If you want the drum notation for this, click the link in the description below and it'll send the PDF right to your email. So all right, let's speed this thing up a little bit and see what it would sound like faster. Okay, now what I like to do is I like to take that last right hand accent on the kick right left and play the right accent on the floor tom. So it's right, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, kick, right, left. And then it repeats. So you get... All right, so you can play that anywhere you want on the drum set, but this is not a movement lesson. The focus of this is just to choose your accents to help it stand out and make it sound a little bit different and unique. All right, let's take that, move the right hand to the floor tom, speed it up. Here we go. Okay guys, I hope you got something out of this. Make sure to like and subscribe. Remember to download your sheet music by clicking the link down below, and I'll see you later.